Hi guys, this is the Cupra Formentor VZN, their latest trim edition. Now they can get a little bit confusing about what's the difference because there's 6 different trim levels. So what makes the VZN stand out so much? We've had a couple of Cupra Formentors on the channel, and of course I've got to have one back because I genuinely love them so much. Again, the one behind me is the 7-speed DSG 2-litre petrol engine with 310 brake horsepower, 400 Nm of torque and 0 to 60 time of 4.9 seconds. Now the VZN more goes towards what's on the car exterior and interior, but they start with the V1 and work their way all the way up to the VZN. So what do you get at the base spec? It starts with the V1. Now this is the base trim you can get, and you get it from £31,300. You get 18-inch performance alloys, rain sensors on the front windscreen, LED lights, dynamic indicators, rear diffuser with black tailpipes, digital cockpit, 12-inch screen in the middle with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless charging, Cupra Connect, interior ambient lighting, copper and aluminium detailing, adjustable sports seats, leather multifunction heated steering wheel, rear sensors, driver profiles, electronic locking diff with dynamic traction, predictive adaptive cruise, keyless entry and all your safety systems like driver alert and lane assist. Now this is just the base level and it's still got so much on it. Then move up to the V2 trim. Now this starts at £33,425. The biggest difference, the 19-inch exclusive matte black and silver alloys. Black Napa leather bucket seats, which aren't only heated but electronically adjustable with memory. Black headlining, smart wraparound interior lights, park assist, rear camera and electric mirrors. Now we're talking. We then move into the VZ levels, and these get a little bit more confusing because they have everything on the V1 trim but not the V2. Starting with the VZ1, you get it from £41,820.
I couldn't find any shots of the VZ1 trim, so just enjoy some pretty B-roll.
Like black bucket seats with copper stitching, a rear diffuser with single exhaust each side, virtual pedal and electric tailgate, dynamic chassis control, profile selection, speed sensitive power steering, sports suspension with front shock absorption, safety and driver packs, high beam assist, blind spot monitor and exit assist. Which then moves us along to the VZ2. This has everything that the VZ1 has, but with some additional extras and some slight changes. The main one being is that it starts from £43,645. You get the black Napa leather bucket seats, which are heated, a leather dash, multifunction steering wheel with the Start and Cooper button on it, plus it's heated, rear diffuser with twin exhausts each side, as well as lane change assist and emergency assist. We then move on to the VZ3 trim. Now this one starts from £47,515, with the biggest difference being you get 19-inch exclusive black and copper alloys, as well as performance brakes with front Brembo calipers, matrix LED headlights with multifunction cameras. And saving the best till last, the VZN. And because the VZN is the top of the trim level, it means it gets everything that we've seen on the others with some additional extras. But it starts from £48,270. But what's different? You get 19-inch sport matte black alloys, panoramic sunroof, Beats audio system, Dynamica and leather black electric bucket seats, a top view camera, virtual pedal and electric tailgate, front grille, cladding parts and exterior mirrors in sport matte black.
There is also a range of colour options for the trims, but mountain green is only specific to the VZN. There's also been a VZ5 released, which has a 5-cylinder engine with 390 PS, but sadly isn't available currently in the UK.
Whilst trim levels can get a little bit confusing, it all depends on what your budget is and also what you actually need and want. For example, I definitely want the front bucket seats which are heated and the Brembo front calipers. The Cupra Formentor is an incredible car in its own right and I love having it every single time. But for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!